Hey guys, this is the new S20 Ultra from Samsung. This is provided by Samsung Indonesia and it's for Kompas.com, since I work at Kompas.com. This is the device from Samsung Indonesia, the newest one. In the back it has the space zoom 100x. And so far it's pretty light. I usually review Apple devices, but this one is actually pretty impressive, and compared to the iPhone 11 Pro. Anyway, this is going to be a quick review. It's nothing extensive or anything like that, but if you have an older Samsung, this is probably worth it, because it's, for me, I would get it because this is full screen. It's nice when it's full screen like that. Really nice. They said it's above 90% of the width without the bezel. There's a little bezel on the bottom. That's not bad. And then compared to the iPhone, it has a little more bezel, I think, compared to this one. See? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so in terms of camera, I don't know if I can show you much, but there's an option for you to do a 108 megapixel. If you click on this selection, there are choices that you can do, and one of them is 108, 3x4, 4x3, which is the same as 3x4, 9x16. It all depends. If you were to do this and then you click on that thing, it would say 16:9. You click on it again, it would be a 1:1 ratio. This 1:1 ratio is for Instagram. If you're going to buy this as your primary phone, this is perfect. Yeah, so anyway, that's just a quick review. You can probably find some more review at Kompas.com Techno. I'll give the link down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or like the video if you do.